Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. It's nighttime here. It's almost 8 p.m. Yeah, I'm just trying to relax. Yeah, and I just put moisturizer on my face. And medyo ano na siya, settle na siya. So naglip tint lang ako ng konti. And para naman may kulay tayo, di ba? Yeah, and how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. Nagdadada pala ako kanina, tapos wala naman palang sound. Hindi ko alam kung bakit walang sound yun. Dada ako ng dada, diba? Ayan. I bought this headband, ng weekend. I find it so cute. So I bought it, yeah. And it looks cute on me, diba? Yeah. I want to put some mask on tonight, but I changed my mind. I said, bukas na lang, or sa weekend na lang, kasi I just wanna do a little bit of TikTok. Kaya hindi na ako nag-mask. Ayan, diba? Ayan. Ayan, konti lang, diba? Gano kayo mag-blush on kaya? Hindi ko nga alam kung saan napunta yung blush on. Nagdadadada ako. Tapos hindi pala naka-sound. Ano ba yan, diba? Unbelievable. Tapos walang sound. Baka ito walang sound uli. Lagay tayo ng blush on. Diba? Tapos may cat kaya. Yung cat ko, napayak niya ako yung isang araw. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung accidentally siyang lumabas or something. So anyway, my cat went out. And I was at work. And my son texted me that Kara's out. And I panic. So I left work half an hour early that time because I'm so worried about my cat. I told my son that it's nighttime and there's lots of coyote outside, and I'm scared of that my